What's cooking? Welcome to Vision Kitchen Chronicles Holiday Edition. Hi, my name is Chef Ange. Do you know what to do with your holiday leftovers? Before you throw them leftovers away, let me show ya what you gonna do with it. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Hey, hey, what you gonna do with your leftovers? What you gonna do with it? Hey, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
About leftovers.
Do you know what to do with your leftovers? Typically, we don't. We throw them in the trash when we're done eating because we're tired of eating them. But today, Chef Ange is going to show you exactly what to do with those leftovers to make them all yummy all over again. So the leftovers we're going to be using today are macaroni, cranberry sauce, greens, dressing, cornbread dressing, sweet potatoes, and smoked turkey. So today we're going to be making stuffed turkey egg rolls. You heard it right. This is going to be so delicious. The first thing you're going to do with stuffed turkey egg rolls is you got to have your egg roll wraps. That's very, very important. Okay? As you can see, we have them here on the board. You're going to take a little bit of water and you're going to put it on each end of the egg roll. That's very important because when you're wrapping your egg roll, you're going to make sure that your egg roll sticks together cohesively. Okay, first we're going to take our chopped up smoked turkey. And as I'm putting it into the egg, I'm just going to too much on here, but just enough so when you're munching on the egg roll, you'll be tasting that smoked turkey through and through. Then you're going to take some of your sweet potatoes. And when you're rolling these egg rolls, try not to get too much juice in them. Otherwise, it'll break up your egg roll. And especially with the greens. Because you know greens hold a lot of water. So you want to be careful. Then we're going to take some of that cornbread dressing. Put that on. Alright, now let's get to rolling. Like so. There you go. It's not the most perfect egg roll, but you get my drift. Promise, Chef Ange, what you gonna do with the macaroni and cheese? Well, we're gonna make some macaroni and cheese egg rolls. So, same process. Just gonna take some of that macaroni by itself. Alright. Make sure you wet those corners. Now we're going to go ahead and put our egg rolls into the deep fryer. All right. So now our egg rolls are done. Like so. Here we are getting ready to make some cranberry puree drizzle to go on top of those delicious egg rolls. First, we're going to take 1 cup of our cranberry sauce. We're going to put it into the pot. We're going to go ahead and pour in 1 cup of orange juice. And then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to let that cranberry break down in the orange juice and the sugar mixture. Puree is done. Now we're going to go ahead and cut into those delicious egg rolls and drizzle our cranberry puree on top. Now what we're going to do is cut into our stuffed turkey egg roll. Look at how beautiful that is. You see your greens, your dressing, your sweet potatoes, and turkey all in one. Yum, yum, yum. Now let's see what that macaroni looks like. Let's see. Beautiful egg roll. Now let's do that cranberry drizzle. Now we're gonna go ahead and drizzle some of that yummy cranberry puree right on top of those delicious egg rolls. This is Chef Ange Holiday Bonus. We're gonna mix up some yummy Santa Claus drinks. That's right. Let me show you this easy recipe that'll be delicious for you and the kids. First, we're gonna go ahead and dip the rim of our cups into our sanding red sugar. Alright, we got the rim of those glasses all nice and red and sugary for ya. Then we're going to go ahead and take a scoop of our lime sherbet and we're going to put that in the cups. And first we're going to go ahead and do a half cup of like Sprite or ginger ale, your choice, your preference, just a half a cup. Pour that in. Then we're going to go ahead and use some lime punch. This can be Hawaiian punch or you can do some lime Kool-Aid. And go ahead and take some of that sanding sugar to make it cutesy on the top. Ho ho ho! Happy holidays! It's punch party time! This holiday punch drink is perfect for the holidays. Enjoy! Thank you for tuning in to this holiday edition of Vision Kitchen Chronicles. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode and I hope you find innovative ways to recreate those leftovers. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season, and from Vision Kitchen Chronicles family to your family, happy holidays. Bye-bye.